In this lesson, let's learn about the change in the value of functions. 導関数の応用、関数の価値の変化。First, we will learn about increasing and decreasing functions. In an interval where f prime of x is greater than 0, f of x will be monotonically increasing. In an interval where f prime of x is less than 0, f of x will be monotonically decreasing. If f prime of x is equal to 0 at any time, then f of x will be constant in that interval. Next is the increase and decrease table. Look at the example on the right. Consider the increase or decrease of the function f of x equals x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2. If we differentiate this function, we get f prime of x equals 3x squared plus 6x equals 3x times parentheses x plus 2 parentheses. If we find the value of x at which f prime of x equals 0 and examine the change in sign of f prime of x, we get the following increase and decrease table for f of x. The table shows the increases and decreases as follows. From this table, we can see that f of x increases monotonically in the interval x less than or equal to negative 2 and in the interval 0 less than or equal to x, and decreases monotonically in the interval negative 2 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 0. Now let's do some practice. Press the pause button and try to solve the practice problem. Once you are finished, press the resume button and mark what you got correct. Now let's check our answers. Differentiating this function, we get f prime of x equals 3x squared plus 12x plus 9 equals 3 parentheses x squared plus 4x plus 3 parentheses equals 3 parentheses x plus 1 parentheses x plus 3 parentheses. If we have f prime of x equals 0, we get x equals negative 1 and x equals negative 3. The increase and decrease table for f of x will be as follows. Therefore, we know that f of x is monotonically increasing in the interval x is less than or equal to negative 3 and x is greater than or equal to negative 1, and is monotonically decreasing in the interval negative 3 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to negative 1. Were you able to answer correctly? That concludes this lesson.